This is a one-of-a-kind William Hope collection. It's a makeup vanity slash desk. It's unique in its design because it's actually, the drawers are top loading. It has a leaf that slides in and out. And inside that drawer, there's a sliding tray. So if you want to access anything below in the storage compartment, you can access it easily. And on the left-hand side of this drawer is exactly the same. You have storage space below and a sliding tray as well. Third storage area is if you push on the mirror, top part of the mirror, and push it backwards, there's a storage space just below that. So you got plenty of storage. Then, if you go to the front, there's only one drawer in the center for more storage. And the mirror has 10 LEDs, 3 color light settings, and multiple light intensity settings. And that's all controlled by the switch at the bottom of the mirror. There's 4 push buttons, and this controls everything. This mirror has a USB cable attached to it, along with the power adapter, which you can plug it into 110, or you can take off the power adapter and plug that USB cable into a backup battery source, power bank such as. And below that is the stool, and below that stool, that seat actually is a storage space as well. So you just lift up on the seat from the front, lifts up about 45 degrees, and then you can access the storage there. So on the side here, on the right side of the sliding drawer, top drawer, I attached a curling iron, so you can clip it in and clip it out as needed. This way there's no chance of it falling down and burning anything or that. And on the side of that, just below, is a caddy, a storage caddy, and you can store, like hairspray or bottles that cannot fit in the vanity itself. Now this is a one-of-a-kind design that I designed actually in 2020, and I completed in 2021 among other projects. It's a one-of-a-kind William Hope collection.